Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. Let's talk about Sound AI. Sound stock near the purple line. We're finally here. We expected this to happen. Let's see if it touches it today. If it doesn't, I am looking to add some. I'm going to start scaling in. I'm not going to go crazy. Look at that. Every time it comes to that purple line and under it, nothing more than opportunity for the big pump, big pump, big pump. That's the pattern. Let's abuse it. Let's take advantage of it. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the Discord. Now, let's get into the earnings here. The earnings did come out, and of course, as I said this in a lot of videos. I don't remember which one. I don't know if I said this particularly for SoundHound AI, but SoundHound AI did beat 68% sales growth. And what did I tell you guys? What matters is the bottom line. That's what matters. That's the big one. The bottom line is what matters. There's a lot of demand for their product / service, which means that the stock, as expected, was going to go down, right? Because nobody cares about a beat on earnings. We don't care about a beat on earnings. What we want is the stock to go up after a good earnings, but that's not how it works, right? Sometimes we go down. And what does that mean? It's nothing more than opportunity to buy the dip, right? Like, that doesn't make sense. Good earnings, but it drops. That's opportunity, my friends. So let's go over the PR here. Enterprise adoption, expanding deployments across multiple verticals, strong execution in the Agentic Plus framework, and recent acquisitions. And they hiked their sales guidance, so they're confident that they're going to even make more dinero, more money, more moolah, etc., etc. That's it. That's all you need to know. It's that simple. Bottom line, looking good, right? Up 68% year over year. I remember when people said this stock was trash because it works only with cars and restaurants. But cars and restaurants, they're big business because people need cars, and restaurants, people need to be fed. Funny how that works, right? And I remember telling people, like, just because it works with restaurants doesn't mean it's a bad stock. What are you, crazy? This is incredible. I think people are still waiting for it to work with McDonald's, which I don't even care about that. The fact that it's performing so well and getting all these sales, and they're confident they're going to get more. I mean, what more needs to be said, right? %42 margin. Expansion in let me see. New programs at Jeep in Europe, EV expansion in Germany, and fresh wins with major two-wheeler brands in India. Restaurant AI deployments expanded into Firehouse, Five Guys, Mod Pizza, and Red Lobster. They ended the quarter with $269 million in cash. No long-term debt. This is such a good investment. If you're not buying this company, you're insane. Let me just check the charts, because I am this one. I've been waiting for this one to get cheap. I've been waiting. I've been sitting on the sidelines with some money. Like, come on down, please. I don't want to buy you at 20. That's stupid, right? That's stupid. Think about how stupid that is. Hey, I want to buy when it's really expensive, right? Like, I want to buy it really expensive. Please give it to me when it's really expensive. I want to pay a lot for it, right? Let me just alert, because I'm gonna buy some here. After reading that, hell yeah! And we're getting a discount from highs. Let me see what I get. Fill that. Have not punched in the order. I'm waiting to see if I get the signal here, but all right, added at 13.88, and yeah, 300 shares. Let's go. I love this one. Like I said, it would be stupid of me, right? It would be so stupid of me to buy up here at $22, right? I would have looked like an idiot. Instead, I'm buying near the purple line and I'm getting a 37%. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm getting a 30% discount. That's how you have to think about it. You have to think about it that way. Please, you want stocks to sell off so you can get those discounts. I don't know why people hate discounts in the market. The stock market's the only place where people hate discounts. That's so weird to me. Like, wouldn't you like to buy on Amazon? Why do we even have a Black Friday or a Cyber Monday? That's stupid, right? Why do we even have those? Clearly people don't like discounts, right? Clearly, shit, people trample over one. They trample each other just to get to the just for the discount, right? People have died by being trampled on Black Friday. Like, people have died because they love discounts. They love it a lot, but only in the stock market. It's funny how that works. Only in the stock market are people not willing to trample each other for the discounts. That's why it's selling off, right? I might go in the red right now. I don't give a shit. I know I'm buying at a massive discount from highs. Nobody wants it right now. Everyone's scared. That's when you buy. Only in the stock market, brother, or sister, I guess. I don't know, but you get the point, right? Like, it's kind of silly, right? Like, wait a minute, yeah, that's right. People are trampling each other. People have died on Black Friday, trampling each other for the discounts. They want their Pokemon cards real cheap. People have fought over Pokemon cards because they're on sale at a store. Like, that's stupid, right? But no one's fighting each other for Soundhound at 13.90. Oh no, it's the end of the world. This is a buy. I'm giving it a buy with a price target of 20, short term, longer term 50 still. We're falling, right? We're tanking across the market. That's fine. That's nothing more than opportunity. Don't get it twisted, guys. When you see drops like this, you buy the dip, you smile, and you go, hell to the F yeah. Patreon.com/tradingtrades if you want to join the Discord for alerts. I just give you the free alert right now. I bet you someone in the Discord just asked me something stupid, because people keep asking me stupid questions that don't make sense. Like, are you buying more sound? No. Maybe. I don't know. I gotta play it by ear. I can't. Who knows what's gonna happen? We don't know what's gonna happen in the future. But now I know. I like what I'm seeing after this due diligence. Management raised its 2025 revenue outlook. Demand across enterprise and automotive. Let's see. I don't give a shit what Zach thinks. Zach can suck a fat one. Zach is not very good, in my opinion. So yeah, you see the pattern, right? Pump, dump, and this is the dump right now. We're in the dump part, right? Does that, like, this should make sense, right? It's kind of like a pump and dumps. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. So this is the dump, right? So why aren't we rejoicing, right? I don't understand people. Get excited. This is opportunity. What a hell. Look at this. Every single time I can measure it out for you. Every time it's come down this cheap, 450% move from low. Another 480%. From this low to high, 212%. Like, wow, right? Like, isn't that funny? Then when we get with these massive discounts from highs, right? 60% discount here. Here you got a massive 58% discount. Here you're getting a massive 40% discount. Whoa, it's almost like discounts are awesome. It's almost like you should be on your knees begging, please, stock market gods, send this down. I want this at $1 again. I want this cheap. Give me Nvidia at 50. Give me Robinhood at 20. Like this, you should be praying and begging your God for this, because this is where the real money is made. And I just showed it to you on the charts. It's not the time to be scared. It's the time to be adding. And I didn't add big. Again, only 300 shares. If you're trading with 5, 6 figures, just scale in. Don't be greedy, right? Don't be greedy and go, oh, I'm going to go all in right here because I don't want to miss out. No. Add a little, accumulate. It's okay. You're going to be okay. It's going to take time, right? Here you had to wait from February up until August. March, April, May, June, July, August. You had to wait 6 months here for this to finally bottom out and get running, right? 6 months. If you don't got patience, this channel is not for you. This channel is for people who are patient, disciplined, who understand how to take advantage of the patterns that the market offers and how to abuse them. And if you're a beginner, highly recommend joining the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. A lot of new people have joined and they've been learning the shades way of trading. I do not trade like a traditional trader. I do not, oh, I buy here and set a stop loss. That would never work with my strategy, right? That would never work. I'll show you. If I bought here and set a stop loss, I would have gotten stopped out and then it ran huge and I missed out. Have you ever bought something then you got stopped out and then it runs huge? Well, yeah, we can't be doing the traditional stuff like that. This ain't the 1980s. Grandpa's living in the olden times. This is the new modern day of trading, of the stock market. A lot more players in this, a lot of people that are a lot smarter. And I'll tell you right now, you buy cheap, you make a lot of money on the way back up. That is it for the video.